Hi, I'm Shreyas.
Hi, I'm Kushal.
We are here to present a concept for imagineering my future for smart city.
Initially, we planned to make this model using Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and various sensors. But due to some unavoidable reasons, we are here at our native place without the required hardware. So, we will only be explaining the concept of this model in this video.
The migration from rural to urban areas increases the challenges for cities in different areas like safety, environment, transportation, healthcare, etc. Smart cities leverage technology, serve people by addressing social, economic, and environmental problems.
The use of inexpensive hardware like Raspberry Pi, Arduino, and their ecosystems of sensors enables us to deploy IoT based technology on a large scale, which is the infrastructure backbone for the smart city.
Considering the availability of various commodities, microcontrollers, and sensors, we conceptualized our solution in the following four broader categories. First, energy management. Second, environmental protection. Third, safety and security. Fourth, healthcare.
Energy management category includes the conservation of electric and fossil energy using smart street lighting, smart parking, and connected charging station solution. In smart light, passive infrared sensor will be used to detect motion of an object in proximity, and light dependent resistor will be used to measure the intensity light in the surrounding. The program will be written in the microcontroller to switch on the street lights whenever motion is observed.
Smart parking. There will be an ultrasonic sensor installed above street parking space to detect if the space is free or occupied. Similarly, the nearest available active charging stations can also be notified. Environment protection category covers improvement of environment using automated irrigation system, smart waste management, water balance control and air pollution control.
Automated irrigation system uses soil moisture sensor to measure the moisture in the soil. If the moisture level goes down a specific value, the microcontroller will trigger the water pump for irrigation till the moisture level is regained. Air pollution control. PM sensors will monitor PM 2.5 and PM 10 and calculate the AQI. Analyzing the real time AQI trend, the machine learning based model will alert the governing body to adopt air quality control measures like restrictions on traffic, mask application, etc.
Water balance control. The electrochemical pH sensor will be used to measure pH value of the water bodies. The program will be written to trigger the application of neutralizing according to the acidity or basicity of the soil.
Smart waste management. The level sensors will be attached to the waste containers to monitor the amount of garbage. The notification will be triggered to garbage collectors if the threshold height is reached by the garbage in the dustbin.
Safety and security category includes social security using a surveillance camera, fire detection, disaster alarm system, and road accident alarm. Surveillance camera. It detects intrusion or abnormal activities and notify the security workforce to check.
Fire detection. The smoke sensor will be used to sense smoke or fire, which sends an alert to the fire management team in real time.
Disaster alarm system. It includes detection of water level in rivers and dams. It also detects leakage of poisonous gases, fatal radiations, thereby producing factories. Real-time alert will be sent to the disaster management team.
Road accident alarm. It detects collisions on roads and then sends real time alert to hospital and repairing services.
Healthcare category includes proactive health monitoring and intelligent medical consultation. Proactive health monitoring. It includes monitoring health vitals such as blood pressure, heart rate, etc. Real time alert will be sent to the doctors or the hospitals.
Intelligent medical consultation. Health vitals will be fed in AI based medical consultation system. AI based system will provide medical recommendations and remedy.